Lovevery has just announced that they are launching 4 brand new Playkits for the 4-year-old age range. They kindly sent us one of the Playkits so I can review it for you guys, and I am so excited to be part of this launch. My youngest son, Lucas, will be turning 4 in just a few months, so this came at the perfect time. We got our first Lovevery kit for Lucas when he was 6 months old, and I haven't missed a single kit since then. And I honestly was feeling a little down that this was going to come to an end now that Lucas is almost 4. So we are jumping for joy that now we get to enjoy another 4 boxes. The box I'm reviewing today is the Connector Play Kit, which is for ages 49, 50, and 51 months. One of our favorite items in the Play Kits are the books. Lovevery partners with real families to co-create many of the stories. We love how the Lovevery books use real people and reflect real-life experiences that kids can relate to. In the book, Charlie Learns Something New, Charlie learns how to work through frustration as she's learning how to do something new. Next item is the Inventor Adventure Pack. This is a brightly colored reversible pack that has multiple configurations. The pack comes with a removable waist belt, a removable coin pouch, and the reversible pack. Lovevery also includes this handy getting started guide to give you a quick reference on all of the different configurations. Our favorite item in the Play Kit is the Discover and Inspect microscope. This is a real working microscope that magnifies up to 20 times and detaches for on-the-go fun. The microscope comes with 2 double-sided image slide wheels and a specimen clip that you can use to create your own samples to look at. It also comes with the battery included, so I really appreciate Lovevery for thinking of parents as well. It's important for children to build routines and learn which family tasks require help from others. The Daily Helper board is a magnetic board that offers a visual guide to different tasks and responsibilities that your child can help out with. The kit comes with various visual magnets to choose from, including some blank ones to create your own. The board is split into 2 on the front, allowing a to-do and a done section, and on the back it has space for storing unused magnetic pieces. The next items are the Swing Set Friends along with the Wooden Modular Village and Pathways. This kit comes with 2 play pals, Aaliyah, who is 4.5 and wears braces on her legs and uses a wheelchair, and her friend Jaeyoung, who is also age 4. The kit also comes with a play guide that introduces these friends along with their backstories and ways to play with them. The swing set that comes with the play figurines is accessible to both children, modeling an accessible world. The modular village and pathways give your child different ways to connect the paths and wooden buildings to create new stories and scenes. Lovevery also includes a play guide with each of their kits, which I would argue is one of the most valuable parts of the play kit. Their play guides are packed with valuable information about the growth and development of your child, and the play guides come with a section on how you can support your child during these times of flexible thinking, and includes a breakdown of all the playthings in the kit and how you can get the most use out of them. It also comes with some additional activities that you can do with your child in the back of the book. If you're interested in learning more about Lovevery or purchasing one of these play kits, I will be sure to include all the links in the description box below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Bye!